What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Nicole, and I had something kind of exciting I wanted to share with you guys today. I'm excited about it because I got a new little nail drying fan. I cannot believe I actually found this at the beauty supply, y'all. My local beauty supply. They had these on their counter. You see the price, only $6.99. The brand is called Cat, and it's a standing beauty fan. It has an optional, comes with detachable base to stand, so you can like hold it or you can sit it down in the base. So I thought that would be great. It also has 3 power setting, rechargeable micro USB. I love that. So it's not battery powered. It says lightweight and it has reduced noise. They had it in pink, but by the time I went back to get one, they only had this sky blue left, which is still a pretty color. But on here it says it's an essential tool to speed up your face mist or setting sprays. Your setting spray drying time, keep you cool on the go. But of course, when I saw it, I thought about nail drying. So this is what it looks like on the back of the box. This is how the fan looks. It has this cute little heart-shaped button. It's either like a heart or apple shape. So I haven't opened it yet, of course, because I wanted to share it with y'all. Also, when I was there, I seen they sold these little fingers, and it comes with like the little sticky stuff, so you could take this off and you could like stick it down so it'd be still. I'm not sure where I want to put it yet, or if I want to do that, because I may like to hold it. And then it came with, it looks like three nail tips inside this little baggie, just really small. So it looks like pinky size nails, for $1. So I picked that up too. But yeah, I wanted to open this up and test it out, see how it works and all that good stuff. So let's see, it's closed with some tape here. Oh, it's so cute. Perfect little, so this comes off, yep. So you can hold it and like, you know, put it up to your face. Little base, it's cute. It is very super lightweight. And then it comes with the USB cord. I might use a different one because it's super short. But for now, I'll try this one. I don't know. It's so short. I mean, but it is for charging, so you have a little outlet plug here. And let me take it down for a second. So the reason I got this fan is because I have this one. It's my old fan. I've had this one for a few years. Also USB chargeable. And you can like sit your phone in it. These pop out. You can sit your phone in it, and then you squeeze here and it opens to different, you know, settings. This one also has 3 settings, and it goes pretty high, which you guys probably heard it in my last video. So it goes pretty high, but the only thing is I've had it for so long that it's not holding a long charge anymore. So I wanted to go ahead and get something new. Now it works great. You can use this one, you can use while it's plugged up, and I do like that. But when I'm on the go or going to do someone's nails, you know, I want it to be charged and not have to have it on a plug. So in this one, I got from Amazon a while back. I have a video on it somewhere, probably way down the line if you guys scroll through, if you're interested in seeing the link for this. Let's see. Now it doesn't even tell you where to charge it, how to charge it. Okay, is this it? Nope. Oh, here we go. Okay, there's a little thing. I don't know if I could do this with one hand. Let's see. You might have to sit out here for a sec. Okay. Okay, so I got the cord in there, and the plug I was gonna use is up here for now. So I guess if I was to charge it here, I could probably, no, it won't really fit, but let's see. Okay, this is hard with one hand. Hold on, guys. Bear with me here. Oh, shoot. Okay, let me just. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so is there an indicator light that it's charging? Well, I don't see that it has an indicator light to let me know it's charging. Let me grab the box again. Yeah, it doesn't say, it just says rechargeable micro USB. Yeah, so nothing that indicates it's charged and ready to go. So the only thing I don't like with this one, this lights up and lets you know when it's gonna die and when it's fully charged. So I didn't see if it was ready to go out the box. Let me see if I could turn it on. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. So while it's on, let me put it in the stand. So while it's on, you can see it lights up blue. So I guess when it's ready to be charged, it will probably turn red. You guys see the blue? Back up some. There you go. Yeah, it's blue. Alright. Speed 2. Yeah, that has some good power. Let's see how far it goes. I can feel it. Still can feel it. I'm going back far. Wow. I don't even think that fan comes this far. Like, it's spread out. I can feel all the air, and I'm pretty far back from my table. I can still feel it. I'm way back here. So that's good. So it does have some good speed to it. Nice. And then off. I like this. It's super cute. Yeah. Okay. Let me jump back up here really quick. Okay. Okay. Not bad at it. Really cute. It'd be nice to probably have 2 of them and then just sit here and dry both nails. But with the wind, it doesn't just come straight out. It spreads out. So you can easily dry both. Yeah. Both hands are fine right in front of it. Because the air comes out to like here. It's best right here, but you can fill it out to here and way in front. Like I'm this far, this would still dry it from here. So yeah, it has some good power, y'all. Very nice. I like this. I'm glad I picked it up. So if you guys are interested, find your local beauty supply where you would go for wigs, extensions, weaves, braid hair, you know, hair products, all that good stuff. The beauty supply sells it, and you guys might get lucky and find one at your local beauty supply. I think I have a picture of the display. If I do, I'll put it in here. What else did I want to share with you guys? I recently had found a couple items I forgot that I had. So I found myself some new dotting tools. I forgot all about these. I think I got these off of eBay. And then this one I had got from Walmart a while back. It's a Salon Perfect dotting tool and brush duo. So you got the dotter down here, and then up here it's really thin. Let me take it out. I got glitter all over my hands from my lip gloss. It's a really thin nail art brush. totally forgot I had this. So I'm gonna put all of these probably in my little carousel, nail art stand carousel. All right, so I also found this that I obviously haven't used. I don't know, I hope this is on the outside, but I'm gonna open it, pull it out. It's a gradient sponge. I'm not too sure how to use it, but I guess I can test that out on a video with y'all. But I just thought it was pretty, and I thought it was pretty neat. Also, it's double-ended. Trying to get this other one in here. Looks like these little things is not letting it go, but I think I ordered this. I'm trying to see if the little thingies shake. Yeah, they do. I think I ordered this off of AliExpress, but it has these dual-ended sponges that you can do a gradient with, which I've never tried. I've always wanted to do gradient. I tried it with the like makeup sponges, but I had the wrong kind, so the polish didn't stick. So that's why I went ahead and had ordered this. So I'm gonna have to test this out soon because I totally forgot that I had this. Go in there. Okay, it's in there now. These little things break off though. So yeah, this was cute. I think I got it for like $1 or $2. It has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total of 6 sponges in it. I have to leave it out where I can see it, because if I don't see it, I completely forget that I have this stuff in my drawers. And then a couple of things that I got at Dollar Tree I wanted to share with you guys. Not nail related, but they had this new natural bright skin serum in by Beauty Guru. And this is a bright skin serum with rosehip oils, because I have a couple of dark spots on my on my face. It's a facial brightener. They had an under eye one, and that's the one I thought I picked up. So when I go back, I'm gonna get the under eye one too. But this just says gently apply to clean toned skin as a part of your regimen to brighten an even complexion. And you guys, it smells so good. I used it last night after I did my facial, and this is how it looks. And then you just open it, and it has like this type of opening. It smells so good. And you just like do this, shake it out onto your finger, and then just apply it to your face, and that's it. So I can't wait to see if it works, and it will help me with my dark spots. So yeah, this is something I picked up. Says blends formulated by a certified aromatherapist. So that's pretty cool. Oh, they're on Instagram. You can follow my journey on Instagram at Mindful Musky. Right here. So I may go give them a follow and check out what they have. Traditionally known for, and it has all this. Do you guys, how do y'all pronounce this? I heard some people say hobaba, something like that. Some people say jojoba. So I don't know. I'm gonna try that out for the rest of the week, couple weeks, and see how it does. And then if you guys have iPhones, they have iPhone cases. This fits iPhone 7 and 8 Plus. They also have cases for like 7, 8, like not the Plus. And they also have iPhone 11 cases. But I thought for $1, and it's leopard print, so I got two. Got this color in pink. But I thought these are so cute, so I've been using the pink one. Love it. You see, I love me some leopard print. My purse is leopard print. My face mask is leopard print. Oh, speaking of face mask, so this is something that we all have to use every day now, our face mask. And the Dollar Tree finally had some in. They had some for kids that had like unicorns, balloons, polka dots, like super cute prints on them for the kids. And then for the adults, they just have plain ones. It says for adult, they're 1 piece. They're reusable, washable. It is comfortable. I tried it on, and it fits nicely. So this one I opened because I wanted to see what it looked like. I'll show you guys. I think I'm going to keep these in my car and keep them right in these bags. So this is what it looks like. The only thing I don't like is it has the tag stitched on, but I'm just going to cut this off. But when I put it on my face, I didn't feel this, but nobody wants to, you know, have this on their face. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It has these type of ear things. I didn't think I was going to like these because I've seen these and I've always skipped over buying them. I buy the other ones with the strings. But when I put it on, I actually did like it. So I'll try it on for y'all, show you guys what it looks like. Okay. So just put it on. It is kind of thin. Okay. It is kind of thin, like you can see my lips and stuff, but I can breathe easy. And what I liked was I had put it on with my glasses, and my glasses didn't fog up because I could put the glasses like on top of this right here, and even with it open and my glasses weren't touching this, it didn't fog, and I like that. So as with my other like two that I have, my glasses fog up, but not with this one. But the only thing I'm not too sure about is this little part, but I mean, you know, not bad for $1. So that's how it looks around the ear. But it's comfortable. So yeah, if you guys find these that you're looking for $1, y'all, you know how much people are paying for these masks. So finding these for $1 are like very good, even to get them for the kids, and that they're reusable and washable too. Like, you can't go wrong, right? So pick it up. Okay, you guys, well, that is it for the video. I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here with my mask on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, if you guys want to go pick you up, can't even see it. If you guys want to go pick you up one of these fans, go to your local beauty supply store. I'm sure that you guys may get lucky and find one there. I hope y'all do, because I really like this one. Like, I really like how it blows so good. I love the little stand. I like that you could just take it and just, you know, put it down at your toes, dry your toes too, girl. Okay, guys, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.